Adventurous Kid Duane went to Shell Factory and Nature Park and saw the amazing animals and the wonderful sights and the products of the Shell Factory and a fire truck. He got to go inside. Shell Factory and Nature Park offers unique outdoor family fun with over 400 animals, petting zoo, zip line, restaurants, and huge retail area.
The Shell Factory proudly presents the world's largest collection of seashells and shell specimens. You will also find the finest fossils and sea life, not to mention the most beautiful top-of-the-line coral. Their unique, one-of-a-kind gifts and jewelry come from all over the world, creating a must-see and shop atmosphere. You will encounter a world full of incredible gifts and souvenirs at the Shell Factory, including coral, shell jewelry boxes, shell candles, wind chime, photo frame, magnets, key rings, mugs, shark teeth, and shark jaws. Just that special something for your home, or that of a cherished friend or loved one.
At Nature Park and Botanical Gardens, you will find over 400 animals living here, from alligators to zebra. Enjoy the gator slough, where you will witness some of Florida's oldest and largest natural predators. Get up close and personal with a few farm animals and some exotics too. Come meet Zach, their miniature zebu, Hampton, their mini pig, and our African porcupines, who are always ready to accept a snack. Come in and play with the dwarf Nigerian goats.
The Shell Factory's all-year Christmas house. Experience the magic of Christmas all year long at our newly enlarged Christmas house. The Shell Factory proudly presents the Southwest Florida's largest collection of Christmas gifts, trees, and thousands of ornaments. Coastal, girly, sports, fun, dogs, cats, whimsical, angels, religious, name drop, and many, many more. Don't miss the magic of Christmas, which is found all year long in our Christmas house featuring Department 56, including Snow Baby, Fontanini, Seraphim Angels, Willow Tree, and the lovable, charming tales. Audience, enjoy
Shell Factory and Nature Park. Yeah!
Edo!
Welcome to Shell Factory and Nature Park. Since 1979 when Bill and Doris moved me down here. Let's see the nature park first.
You're feeding damn gators. So then does this bag of 4 come with brisket? So what's considered
This is slow. Have you seen this stuff? This is like the new.
I think it is. That's the zip line.
See what we got?
The red-footed tortoise.
Yeah, if you don't recognize this shit by now, which is just crazy to me.
All these tortoises are cute.
Have you seen these guys?
No.
Check out the... Oh look, fake bird. This turtle's gonna be the stink eye. Turtle buddies over there. Like they're having a chat.
What did you say, sorry?
Have we determined whether or not I see food, so he must be in here, right? Why would he not be in here? It's so dark. I can't even see in there. Is that him all the way behind the cage? Yeah, I guess that's where I would go. But it's King Julian! Lemurs produce a stink when they get mad. Yeah, I think I smell something a la skunk. Do you smell that? That's not that bad though, compared to a skunk. But these two, that's a green heron. He's a beaut. Seems like him and the ducks are really enjoying the waterfall feature. This is a red-ruffed lemur. Look at him go. Ladies and gentlemen, the Eurasian eagle owl. Turn around for us, buddy. Let's see it. Why is he awake? Owl. Oh my god, look at him. What a beaut. It's crazy after seeing burrowing owls forever, and then looking at this monster. He's a beast. Oh my god. Like a Peter Gabriel song. Those were fishing cats. Hey, you. Said something. Paper. Yeah, it's beautiful. Is it Joey? This guy likes to talk. Hello. Hello, friend. What? That's a cockatoo, a parrot. And moot jack. Oh, look at that guy. He's, I don't know if that's a moot jack But a wallaby, I think, is that guy. Look, a Cody. Oh yeah. So it's some South American thing, right? Like a raccoon, only South American. Ooh. Mira aquí. There's a million cockadoos over here.
Where's Brandon?
The boxes.
Wait, Mom!
Oh my god, squirrel. What is he holding?
Yeah. It looks like a squirrel.
The craven is disgusting. Quote the raven.
Roadkill. Why is it showing us?
Yeah. I want to put my elbow for it. Weird. Keel-bill toucan. I hope they still have that air conditioned place. Look at him with his mouth open. Better than leather fucking. No, feather plucking, I said.
So cute. He's so fun.
And he's got this weird thing going on. He's like asleep, smiling. Ah, oh, cute little one. Alright, you have to see this leopard over here. Whatever it is. It's a leopard or something. Sign somewhere and I'm just missing it?
I think it might be a serval.
Yeah, maybe. Or ocelot?
Yeah, maybe.
Making stuff up? Don't know what it is. These are the garbage diggers.
Look at these cute little things.
Since we don't know the name of it, I'll just meow about what it is. Looks like some sort of bobcat-ish thing. Is it even open? It looks like where the serial killer hides out, but let's go to the Eco Lab. Echo Lab? Oh my god, a Savannah monitor.
Yeah, he was like...
The Savannah monitor is a medium-sized species of monitor lizard native to Africa. The species is known as a Bosc monitor in Europe since French scientist Louis Bosc first described the species. Information about the diet of Savannah monitors in the wild has been recorded in Senegal and Ghana. It feeds almost exclusively on arthropods and mollusks. The Savannah monitor is readily available in the pet trade. Juvenile animals are collected from several countries in West Africa, mainly Ghana, Togo, Benin, and Nigeria, and exported worldwide. Animals sold as captive breed, captive framed, or ranched are the offspring of gravid females collected during the breeding season, whose eggs are incubated by exporters. Adult specimens frequently become unwanted pets and are reported as being most common monitor lizards by animal rescue agencies. However, the vast majority, with an estimated 90%, die within a year of capture, and captive breeding is very rare.
Right? Pretty freaked out. Oh yeah, he's going down. Oh god. This guy.
I just saw him go right over there. Yeah, he doesn't give a shit.
Yeah, the green his body is, and while I was watching him, his head, you can see his head is a different color than his body. Just for me, like, looking at him, I guess.
Aww.
Right. Cool. feathers in that really pretty thing.
So, here we go. I love these little guys. Big one. That's sex, yeah. That's what I was doing. You would.
These boa constrictors are massive. That's some vintage shell factory shit, the palm thing back there.
The way they feel.
Like they're legless lizard.
Look, a legless lizard. Can't tell what that is in that little.
Take it from the nest of yours. A day came when they called me, they said your chicks are available. Usually they're going to pick up their box.
That's such a cute picture.
Leopard geckos. They're commonly sold at pet stores. Not ew. Look at these amazing cockroaches.
Phil, did you see this thing? This vinegroon? It's like a freaking huge ant.
Extra nice. Yeah.
Because they usually never have like cockroaches just like that. And I've never seen cockroaches that look like this.
Yeah, I guess I don't know. This is a western hognose snake because he looks like a little piggy nose. He gonna give a kiss. Okay, sweet. You gonna give me a kiss? I don't want to give you.
I have. This little tiny face should have some time.
We're leaving the serial killer's lair. Go this way, guys.
It's about to pour on us. Oh my god. It's rain clouds out.
Right.
It is already raining.
Gators.
Where? Oh.
Couple gators. 3, at least 4.
Yeah, they sold gator biscuits. Did you see that?
Look at them gators. I Oh, they're a whole mess of gators. Nature walk, isn't it?
I don't think they like when it starts raining.
Turned that way. I think we've seen all this.
Right?
You saw him?
I did.
You did?
Yeah, when we were coming over
I
here.
don't know.
That's like the one they have in Pet Kingdom. Look at those birds over here, though.
Yeah, those are macaws, right? Macaws to celebrate. Get that nut. I don't know what I guess we can go inside that over there.
Yeah, there was some in.
It's Wilbur the pig. Wilbur never got that big. That was a big pig.
That actually looks kind of small compared to some pigs I've seen, especially on Instagram.
Yeah, well, I mean, for his like height or whatever, he's very
He's big,
heavy.
yeah, he is.
So,
I know, at first I thought...
You're trying to say hi.
Aviary time.
We shut one door and open another door.
An African gray parrot.
Aww. Oh my god.
It's cool that they're super smart and they live like 80 years.
No.
Oh, cool. They're just gorgeous. Like usually I think of like super color like with parrots, but super pretty.
Oh, he knows he can't.
Don't you get me?
He's afraid of you. Yeah, it's really cute. I love that one.
You troublemaker?
And that's
You
the
gonna get
one.
us?
He was pecking everyone.
You gonna get you go? You gonna get us?
All the other ones really
Yeah.
don't care about anyone, but that
Right,
one.
that guy's eating a nut. Look at this space pup. Look at the burro. Don't pet this parrot, it might bite. Watch out, raging bull. Yeah, I think it's there. Say, where that hay, guys? You gonna give up the hay?
Look at this spotted one.
There's a couple buddies. You guys hanging out together.
He's like, yeah,
Oh my god.
no.
a more than human high camel.
Plant. He's happy for food. That's what he eats. He's happy for food. This ain't no food. I want that.
He was happy. Good job. I wish you were going. Boyd. Was it a night heron? Kookaburra? A kookaburra. Is it the big pocket or which pocket am I?
Yeah, those horses are in good shape.
Alright. We're in a petting zoo. I'm gonna feed the animals now.
Oh my god.
Easy, fellas. It smells good, actually. I'll keep this one for myself. Alright. Not you. Not you. Nah, because that was rude. This guy. You gotta be nice. You've got to be nice. Good guy. That's a good guy. You get this one. I don't remember if you got any. Alright, fine. You get that.
You can't be holding it for a long time.
Now I'm gonna feed Raging Bull. He's like, I've got plenty down here. I'm good. Is this enticing at all? Does this look good? Look at you. You're cute. That was cute. Now to feed the llama thingy. They have like kibbles or something. I don't think they care about my food. Hey, is Sunfish over here? I don't think he cares. Ah, chickens. Where's your buddy? Never get near a porcupine because they can quill you.
I feel like this tortoise is like staying in a cup on the jail wall. It's just like grabbing the face.
Guinea pigs.
Soon there's a lot of babies. We just had some born yesterday.
Yeah, that
They're in
rabbit's
there.
really cute. Cute. Aw. That's cute.
So we have too many people drop them.
Okay.
This is why.
Yeah, cute. Let's see the rabbits.
You have to do work.
Rabbits! Now you're holding the rabbits.
Okay,
That was cool. Poor chicken. Wilbur's sleeping. Oh, zebra. Alright, I want to call it a zebra.
Zebras are 3 species of African equids horse family united by their distinctive black and white striped coats. So why do zebras have stripes? Well, scientists aren't exactly sure. Their stripes perhaps serve to dazzle and confuse predators and biting insects or to control the animal's body heat. Because each individual's stripes are unique, their stripes may also have a social purpose, helping zebras to recognize one another. Zebras are social animals and live together in large groups called herds. As they migrate to new feeding grounds, superherds may form consisting of thousands of individuals. They may team up with other grazers on their travels too, such as antelope and wildebeest. As elegant and peaceful as they are, don't be fooled, zebras can be aggressive animals too. Stallions fight for females with piercing bites and powerful kicks that are strong enough to cause serious damage and sometimes even kill. Their fierce fighting skills and strong social bonds help to protect zebras from predators, which include lions, leopards, hyenas, and cheetahs. When under threat, these awesome animals form a semicircle facing the attacker and prepare to strike if need be. And if one of the group is wounded or injured, other zebras will circle around and attempt to drive off the hungry attacker. All for one and one for all.
Grant's zebra. Some kind of crocodilian.
Wonderful place.
It's pouring shelter. You can try, yeah. Under the trees is better. Here's like going to the creep cottage.
Oh, let's go out there on the lake route.
Relaxing in the rain. That sounds familiar, the little... I didn't think that was crazy. Trying to escape the rain. Now we're going inside the shell factory. Where they manufacture shells. I have no idea what I'm looking at here. What do you think of this? This is for 0 to 8 years of age. So I can't. Don't these animals look real?
You know what? I probably need you up and shout, honey.
Your Lion King Majesty.
I feel like they look decent, right? Like they obviously aren't real rings, but they look like not like something you get in a gumball machine. Isn't that kind of cool? Yeah, all different ones.
That's not the Mona Lisa. Kinda, sorta, but not really. Let's go to the creepy arcade. Arcades look different. Shell treasure chest. Look at them fossils. Trilobite, Equus accidentalis. Is it accidentalis? I wonder why they call it that. Equus accidentalis.
Look at the giant beaver fossils for $120. This one over here is $170 for the associated sloth.
Yeah, this guy.
No, that's not what I do.
Yeah. Help, I'm being eaten by the shark. I survived the shark attack. Gracious. Gems, minerals, fossils, crystals.
Here's a smaller version.
Is that right? Yeah, they're really cool. Ooh, it's gold. Yeah, wow. Where did that one come from? Real shark. little baseball bat. That's so sweet.
That's cute.
I always hear from every single
She does no matter what we have.
we got a bunch
Here, or I should just find something.
Let's go explore the Holiday Palace. This is super Christmassy.
Yeah, that's cute.
Look at all these Christmas trees. Nativity scene on the TV.
Oh, I can go after look at this one.
Those are brand new. They literally
You can only hear the bell ringing if you really believe. Let's go into Santa's home.
Merry Christmas. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Look what I found you. When you're up and out. She just did it
The opalite at the top too.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little one's Christmas joy. Oh,
I found another
Look at that.
Stranahan dragons. Look at that weird thing up there with the shark.
Their hay over there.
Weird.
Oh, look at this car.
And my windshield's broke. Look in this fire truck. What's in here? I don't know what that is. Is there something in this one? Oh, it's just an old hose.
Oh, this is nice.
Woo, 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 woo. The owls are not what they seem. Turtles in the lake. It looks like the turtle swimsuit issue. Like they're all like showing off their turtle titties. Expecting us to throw that food in here.
There's so many turtles and fish. Wow.
Yeah, it's a mall. The upper part of the turtle shell is called the carapace. Bumper boats out there. I hadn't thought of that for a long time, like when I was a
These turtles are surrounding us from everywhere. Look at them down here. Like they're literally, their heads are popping up. Oh my god. This is so crazy.
Well, the dingo dock. Oh, I guess maybe they still have that bumper boat then. Look at these bumper boats. That's, yeah, man, this takes me back. I feel like it's been decades since I've seen one of those things. They're like, you know, little inner tubes so you can just like bounce into people.
Real quick.
One more.
Stop.
Take it.
You're so silly.
Did you get it?
I did get it. Wow, look at the climbing pole.
What? Oh, good. Goodbye, Shell Factory Nature Park.